Please rise for the Pledge of Allegiance. Place your right hand over your heart. Ready, begin. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. You may be seated.
Good morning, Raiders!
Welcome back to the show. I'm Callie.
I'm Nolani.
And I'm Bree.
And these are your news and announcements for today, Thursday, February 6, 2025. Welcome back, Raiders.
Reminder, students, this Friday is a minimum day schedule for Raider Fest.
Metro is having their annual photo shoot event that will start next week from the 10th to the 13th in room 93. Please scan the QR code to choose what photos you would like to take. Check out the flyer on your screen for more info.
Raiders, the 2024-2025 CI yearbook needs your help. Do you have a celebrity lookalike? Send us both your photo and the name of the celebrity to be featured in this brand new 2-page spread. Use the QR code on your screen to submit your images.
Welcome back to the show. If you guys have any recommendations for the show, feel free to contact us at cipictureoftheday@gmail.com.
Now let's go to a quick video from yearbook.
Hey Raiders, go buy your 2025 yearbook at the student store right now.
Yeah, at the student store, 75 for staff and 85 for students.
Thank you, yearbook. Check out this year's 2025 cover to the Raiders log.
Upcoming events. Bell schedule for Friday, February 2025 minimum day will be on your screen.
You said February 2025.
Open house will be taken tonight, Thursday, February 6th from 6 to 8 p.m. Bring your families and friends to the CI gym for open house.
Sporting news, sports on tap. Here's all your sporting news for the rest of this week.
No sporting events until Saturday, where the boys and girls wrestling have their Citrus Coast finals at Fillmore at 8 p.m.
Baseball plays Pacifica at 11 a.m.
Boys volleyball will have their final tryout this Saturday here at the gym from 10 a.m. to 12 p.m.
Boys basketball finished up the regular season Tuesday night, and they officially went undefeated in league. Congrats to the boys team and all their coaches.
Boys softball went undefeated in league 10-0 with a coaching staff that included a pro athlete and an English teacher and upcoming Best Buddy Award winner. Come and support our volunteer teams.
Check out the community schools and check out the February schedule for the Rincon Wellness Center.
Want us to spread a word about your Clover fundraiser on the show? Want your photos shown in the Raider mural after the show? Reach out to us at cipictureoftheday@gmail.com. That is all your news and announcements for today, Raiders.
Make it a great day, Raiders!
Don't forget to like and subscribe to CI Live. If you would like to participate, send an email at cipictureoftheday@gmail.com. Thanks for watching.